the world's most romantic bird, the flamingo. They began open in the sky, flying nearly 400 kilometers toward an unknown destination. This is the Everglades, and they are not here just to feed. Their true purpose is reproduction. The males spread their wings and perform a synchronized marching dance, a bold display of color and rhythm to attract their chosen mate. And in that moment, the cameras capture one of the most breathtaking sights in nature. From soft mud and shallow water, they build a simple clay nest, the very first home for their future chick. And one day, that chick will go, rise into the sky, and fly toward a distant unknown, just like they once did.